How to delete Facebook account on iPhone or Android. Welcome to another Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to delete our Facebook account, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone. Once you get in the Facebook app, select the menu button in the bottom right of the Facebook app. Then open the settings by selecting the gear in the top right. Once the settings open, under the first section labeled Accounts Center, select See More in Accounts Center. Then in Accounts Center, scroll down and select Personal Details. Now that we're in Personal Details, select Account Ownership and Control. Then just select Deactivation or Deletion. From here, select the profile that you want to delete. And all we need to do is make sure that we go to Delete Account, select Delete Account, and then select Continue. If you're the only admin on a Facebook page or Facebook group, those will be deleted as well unless you transfer ownership of those. Check the description because I have tutorials showing how to do that. So go ahead and select Continue. Then here you can tell them why you are deleting your Facebook account, but you don't have to. So select Continue one more time. Once it says Permanently Delete Account, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Continue. Now all we need to do is enter our Facebook password. Once you enter your Facebook password, select Continue, and then your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. All right, so that's how you permanently delete your Facebook account on iPhone or Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.